Good morning. Wait for it. Are you ready? It's good to see you working. Hey? Oh, I couldn't work as hard as you, babe.
What?
I couldn't work as hard as you.
Why when I say something like that do you talk over?
Why, what?
Why do you talk over me when I say stuff like that?
What?
You don't want to hear it.
What?
What?
I work hard as you.
You do not work as hard as
I do.
you do not.
I've been up since 5:30.
I couldn't care less.
Grafting.
Couldn't care less.
While you've been snoring your head off.
I'm entitled to. You!
Come on, missus, let's go get some pallets. Oh, yeah, there's some there, look, yeah. Yeah, we'll have them.
Oh, I could have a poo behind here.
Oh, have a poo?
Could I have a poo?
Yeah, have a poo.
I thought there was part of all that.
I can't show you the bus. Can't show them the bus, can we?
Look at that.
You're going to have to push them there.
Why are you joking? I thought you were already prepared for me.
No.
Oh, you better get that. Get in, get that move.
Okay. You tell me what to do. I think she's in charge. You think you're in charge, you? Hey up. I'm not going to pull these, am I? Let's get you right. Right, I'll move these. Let you do a bit of graft. That's it. I got a splinter. Might have to go to hospital.
Oh, God forbid.
Just push that a bit further on, babe, 'cause it's on a smaller pallet on the bottom. It'll be alright.
Well, you've done that, not me.
Be alright a bit. Yeah, they'll be alright. They'll go at bottom there, won't they?
Huh?
They'll go at bottom there, won't they? Just watch the bus. Oh, look at that. Snug as a rug. Snug as a bug in a rug. Hey, that's ideal. You could put thingy on that.
What?
Blow up mattress on
Are you
that.
having a bloody joke? Right, go on, get going with them.
Seems a shame.
Right, here.
Oh, is there?
Right, stop.
Oh, good. Don't fall in skip.
I can't get it. Scrap heap challenge.
That's it. If it's not nailed down, we'll have it.
Oh, are you joking?
All that effort to lift it up.
Punch it.
That's it, babe. Oh, you're punching? Jesus. They've been in ground a bit deep, haven't they? Ah, that hurt my ears. Did you just chuck another one out?
Yeah.
Where is it?
It's fallen down there, I got it in a minute.
Oh.
Look at that.
The eye one in my hand. Where are you going to put that?
Not yet.
Jesus, babe. You'll have my eye out. Oh, there's two. Need to get changed later now. Need to get changed now. Black bite. Keep us going. Bit of a stack. Not happy. Said get him later. I know, for some reason. Oh. Put that in there. Oh, look at you grafting. You little grafter. You always do. It's here. This is a gift very kindly given by Stephen Penman. I think I've got that right.
Is that a big one?
It's a nice case. It's like my yellow one, but fabric. Wow. GoPro 9 is kindly donated. Absolute mint condition. I can't thank you enough for sending it. And it's got blue battery. I ain't got the blues. And I'll get that bit of paper. And it's got a SD card in it. And it's a good one.
Get out, you fucking nobody!
Pardon my missus's language. Shouting at the dog. It just wants to go in one. Oh, it could go on here actually. Look at that, babe.
Oh yeah.
Even GoPro thing. That's in good nick, that, innit? It's a 9. I might put that on here. Look at case as well. So thank you very much for that, Stephen. I'll put it on some videos. What do you think to that, Billy? Posh, innit? Perfect. Right, let's have a play with it.
Dust you off.
I'll dust you off.
Brand new. Oh, now you've broke it.
How that hurt my ear, that did.
But you've broken it now.
Oh.
Christopher.
Oh, yeah.
You've broken it.
Yeah.
With that big head of yours.
Yeah.
A big smart head.
I need to do a bit of...
Contenting.
No, a bit of... Oh, do my glasses?
Yeah. Oh, what if it comes out?
Oh.
Hey! I need to do the inside.
No. I'll tell you what.
Look, it even goes short.
Oh, that way. There's loads of
No,
snot.
like that. You need to.
Snot on that.
It looks like
Why is it bent?
Because we bent it the other day. No, you're allowed to bend it.
Yeah.
No, you can bend
What is going on in here? Oh my god. We're on the new one.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Just having a play. What's going on in here?
Not a lot.
What are you sorting out, man?
Doing your job that you've been doing for the last 3 weekends.
Oh, no. I did my job.
You didn't?
No,
I
you
did.
didn't.
No, you didn't.
Just because I didn't finish it off, it doesn't mean I didn't do my
Exactly.
job.
No,
Can
you
I
didn't do your job.
order some coils
No, you can't because you did your job.
for them?
You don't even use that.
I do. I want to use them.
Yeah, you'll say
You
that.
I need some liquid as well.
You'll say that when you're flying.
But I might try your liquid actually, because I quite like that. Look
I can't keep up.
Look at her face.
We're buying packets of fags, we're buying Mackie, we're buying vape juice, we're buying vape devices, we're buying vape coils. You need to decide what you're doing with your life. Are you gay or not?
There. I'll make it up to you.
Go find yourself something to do.
I am. I'm playing with cameras. Say hello, Parker.
Can you put me on camera?
No,
Why?
because you're naughty and people don't want to see you naughty. Here's another naughty girl. Here's another naughty girl.
Why did you put bow on it? Bow on it, see mine.
Because I can. Hey! Oh, it's snowing. I don't want to come out.
Pass me the camera. There you go. Thank you. Clean it up.
Go put that in bin. No, go put it in the fire. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh, it goes everywhere, doesn't it? I said go put it in the bin, you did.
Now you've blocked it.
Can you unlock my hoover, please?
Can you turn it off before you blow it up?
Oh no.
Oh no.
That was maybe not a good idea, then.
No, it wasn't a very good idea, was it, Christopher?
It's even in turn.
Oh. Oh. Go get another bag, Posh.
Okay.
Yeah, it's full, babe. Oh, no, it's not. Why is it blocked? Oh, look.
I don't have another hoover, that is the only hoover that I've got.
I love you, baby.
You make me sick.
What is it, Bo? Oh, that was fun. That was fun, that babe, wasn't it?
No.
Oh, get that outside,
Stop
though.
walking around because you're blowing it everywhere. I'm trying to clean it up.
Wilson, stop walking about. Babe, I'm not moving. Anyway, anyhow, dog's out. You're blowing it about. You've eaten the hoover as well, you naughty. Oh well. Oh, look at her. Coming up alright? Babe, coming up alright?
You won't come up alright when I put you down.
Oh. Not a dog. Oh, out. Oh, it's coming up lovely, that. I knew I kept them for a reason. Oh, out. Wilson, out. Oops. Out. Out. Yeah. Why don't we do it for Christmas?
In your truck. In your truck.
Oh no. My truck's clean.
And my house isn't.
I'm not saying that. Give us that water. I want chicken.
Yeah, you do anything, just a little bit just to help. You do easy bit.
This could fall off. Oh.
Just whoa. Just stop a minute.
Oh.
Just stop a minute. Just stop. Just stop. Just stop. No, come here.
No. No.
No, because how do you get this out?
Tip it upside down.
Come here.
No.
Help me, please.
I don't know how to do it.
You only want to do half a job.
Yeah. I know what you're going to do with that
I'm
water.
not doing anything. Do it, please.
Just lift that.
Just lift what?
Just pull that off.
I am.
Yeah.
No, I need to fill it up. Let me fill it.
Yeah. Oh, you bitch. No. Oh, look at the state of my glasses.
Water solves everything.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
Stop it. I'm wet now. Soaking.
Don't drink, Bo.
So is Mickey. Oh yeah, she's not gonna. She'll run in house.
You don't. Got a bit hard, because you love a bit of water, don't you, mate?
Oh yeah. You just jabbed my finger. Right, now I need to go get dried.